Hello everyone, my name is Nadia Hashim from Group 4 and I will be presenting our application AR-Stein. AR-Stein's group members are Ahmad Aldin, Afrina Dania, Harid Hafiz, me myself Nadia and Nik Muhammad Azaim. I will begin this presentation by describing the problem statements. The main reason we created this application is due to the COVID-19 outbreak. During this pandemic, everyone is advised to keep a distance between each other. Thus, we would like to take this as an opportunity to promote contactless learning. Next, upon further research, we found out that there is a decrease in number of STEM students in Malaysia. And lastly, the problem of expensive science teaching models. For instance, the human skeleton model or planetary models are expensive for an institution. Having an application that can solve this problem will be very helpful. To solve the problem stated, our group came up with AR-Stein, an application to help students in learning science subject using AR. This application will also promote interactive teaching and learning process. AR-Stein will be following the latest science textbook syllabus taught at school, so students will not be left out or confused. Not only that, our application also provides assessment for students to evaluate themselves.
Next, this is the organizational chart. Target market. Our target market will have two segmentations. In the demographic segmentation, we will be targeting middle to upper class families. As for the psychographic segmentation, our primary target are primary year 6 school students. Another target market of ours will be private institutions. By that, we mean private school and tuition centers. By targeting private institutions, it benefits to our demographic target, which is middle to upper class families. Normally, families in those class send their children to private institutions. In the context of competition, we have discovered two different categories of the existing augmented reality product, which are international and national competitor. The international competitor application was named AR-Study and based in United States, and the national competitor application is called AR-Science Tingkatan 4. All of the competitors shares the same aim, which is to design and construct an AR application for educational purpose in learning the concepts of biology, physics and chemistry for science in the school. Our team, on the other hand, would shift the focus of AR toward primary school students, mainly on Year 6 science subject, whereby we ensure all Year 6 students able to have full understanding and interested in learning science subject, and for instance, to become the first AR application built for STEM subject, especially science.
Hey, Adik, hello. You sound very stressed lah. What's wrong?
Abang, I'm doing my science homework, but I think it's kind of boring. I think I need a new way of studying lah.
Well, luckily for you, there's an app currently in development. They call it AR-Stein. Let me show you.
Okay.
So, first you take your phone and you scan it. This is the AR-Stein prototype demo. The user will be greeted with the main menu describing what is AR-Stein and a logo of AR-Stein. Here, the user can choose to go to the next screen by clicking the arrow button, or the user can press on the question mark button. This how to use screen will teach the user how to use the application. If you go next screen, the user will be shown the science subject units. User can then choose their desired unit. These units are all taken from the latest syllabus so that students can relate with what they are currently learning. For prototype and showcasing purposes, we will be only focusing on Unit 10 Eclipse. Upon tapping on the desired unit, the application will prompt the user to choose between taking a quiz or learn by using the AR view. By scanning a target on our AR book, the application will display a 3D model of the unit. First, let's start off with the quiz. I will only be answering this by randomly. As you can see, I got 3 questions right out of 4 questions. Now, let's start with learning by using the AR view. By scanning a picture of the moon, the user will be taken to a screen where it will show a diagram of lunar eclipse. If the user clicks on the text Earth, it will be shown a lunar eclipse stages. Pressing on the moon, a description of the lunar eclipse will occur. That is all for our presentation demo. Thank you for watching and listening.